day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Cherry Rose E. Bidos. I am from New Leganés, Barangay Sunwan, Coronadal City. I am 35 years old. I have live-in partner and I have 15 years old daughter. I am a high school graduate and I have 3 sisters and 2 brothers. And I am the 4th one. I have work experience in Kuwait since 2015 to 2017, 2018, and 2020 at the same employer. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, washing clothes, ironing, cleaning the house, and also I taking care of the children. To my future employer, Sir, Ma'am, please select me as your helper because I am hardworking, God-fearing, honest, and loyal. And I also promise that I will finish my contract. Thank you and God bless.